If you have started dating some new attractive person, or maybe even your ex-partner, and you can sense that there is somebody else there who's competing with you, then it is worth to know what you can do to destroy this competition, and this video is all about it. But if you are in a relationship already and then you want to destroy your competition, then watch this movie. If you are not in a relationship yet and there is competition, such a situation is much more complicated. In such a case, you feel very often that you can lose this person at any time, hence automatically you start to care about him or her much more, and thus you are willing to show great interest towards that person. For many people, such a situation causes a panic attack and they want to start the relationship as soon as possible, and in this way defeats their competition, which actually is a big mistake because they cease to be a challenge and only make things worse. Therefore, the most important rule is always to stop the first impulses driven by our emotions and approach the situation in the most rational way possible. The difficult truth you have to face is that you don't have an influence on everything. There is no magical sentence or indisputable argument that you can use to make the person you're dating be with you. You have to accept that you can do everything exactly as should be done, show up your best self, and still not win over that person. The second factor that is worth realizing is that your influence on what this person feels for your competitor is low. You may think that discrediting your competitor, emphasizing his or her flaws, or even ridiculing him may help you somehow, but in practice you only harm yourself. You express your interest and you do it in a negative way. If you didn't care, you wouldn't say such things. Similarly, if your competitor tries to say something bad about you, it will not have any significant impact on what the person you're dating feels for you, because first of all, the credibility of your competitor is very low, and secondly, what your love interest feels for you depends primarily on your behavior. For all these reasons, it is not worth to directly or indirectly attack your competitors. The best reaction is to focus on building your own attractiveness and not to assume that you have to win someone over. The best approach, which will have an incredibly positive effect on your attractiveness, is constant thinking. Do I really want to be with this person? Is it a good match for me? Will it be possible to create a happy relationship with this person? This is a very attractive approach that will transfer to all your behavior and significantly increase your chances of actually being able to choose this person, as long as it really meets your expectations. It's incomparably better than thinking about what I can do to beat the competition. Therefore, the best way to beat the competition is not to compete at all. Do absolutely nothing more than you would do if there was no third person around. The best attitude that will allow you to win over the person you care about is to be ready to lose them at any time. The worst way is to try to stop them at all costs and to act under time pressure. This way you can shoot yourself in the foot. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to receive the movies like this in the future, just please subscribe to my channel. And if the reason for watching this movie was to get back to your ex, then go to robertmarchal.com and take a free test and check how big are your chances of getting back to your ex. And for now, that's all. See you soon. Robert Marchal.